All right, so we are only a few hours away from Google's Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pixel 10 Pro Fold. All of their new items are coming in the near future, and we have a full leak today to go over all the specs in case you are interested in purchasing these. I'll throw up those affiliate links up down below. We greatly appreciate you using it. Let's jump right into it and talk about it. All right, so jumping right into it, the Pixel 10 Pro XL will have a 6.8-inch Super Actua display, and the Pixel 10 Pro will have a 6.3-inch display, both offering 24 hours plus of battery with Pixel Snap wireless charging that is Qi 2 certified. This is awesome, built in, no case needed to align with the magnets. They are actually built into the phone finally. 16 gigs of RAM, obviously Google's Tensor G5 chip this year, and they both have the Pro triple camera setup, 50 megapixel wide, 48 ultra wide, 48 telephoto, and 100x zoom. I can't wait to see how they actually reveal this and show it as being usable. We know Samsung's Space Zoom was kind of gimmicky. Let's see what Google has in store for the Pro here. Then, of course, you do have its premium offering, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, with a 6.4-inch outside display and an inner 8-inch display with an Actua and a Super Actua Flex display as they're marketing it. Same 24 hours battery life. Pixel Snap is across the board here. Again, 6 gigs of RAM, G5 chip, and this time we see differences with the camera setup. You have a 48 megapixel wide angle here, a 10.5 megapixel ultra wide, a 10.8 megapixel telephoto with a 20x zoom. And then for the baseline Pixel 10, you are getting a 6.3-inch Actua display, same battery life, less RAM though, you are only getting 12 gigs, same chip, and then a little different setup here as well for the triple camera setup. You're getting a 48 megapixel wide, 13 megapixel ultra wide, 10.8 megapixel telephoto, and 20x zoom. This is the first time the Pixel 10 itself is coming with the triple camera setup, so I guess we can't be too picky with that. And then obviously we are getting the new Pixel Watch, Pixel Buds. They do really look great. It's going to be a personal preference what colors you go with this year, but I really do like that moonstone that they are heavily marketing. The camera bar does look pretty large on this Pixel 10 Pro, so I'm very curious to see it in person, but again, I don't think this is going to be a terrible looking device. So this is just a quick recap of what's coming in the next couple hours. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and if you are going to be picking up one of Google's latest offerings. We'll have them on the channel, we'll do our typical accessory video or unboxings and all that, but let me know down below, which one are you picking up? Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.